our detective agency is the first one using whole steps. Well, I shouldn't say the first one, but first one we talk about whole steps in. So you watched a video a couple videos ago was half steps, where we go from one key to the next key. Guess what a whole step is? 2 half steps. So we basically skip a key in the middle for a whole step. Stuff like that. So it can be white key to white key usually. It can also be white key to black key, because we could have that little half step in between there. So look carefully and do some of the things they're asking, and try to find your whole steps and understand what that is, especially in the theory book. Remember, these are building blocks, so they're going to help you with things to come. So if you don't know whole steps today, they're going to come back. Know them today. So the song is a really dynamic one. We have a lot of half steps in the beginning. Then we have a lot of whole steps there. Soft. So a lot of times we kind of echo, so we play it loud, then soft. This part's a little tricky. At measure 7 on the second page, remember your old rule, once it's flat it stays flat, so this is E flat, E flat, E flat. A lot of people play E natural there, but they're silly kids because they don't remember the E flat. You will. So that measure 7 is, if you can see my hands, and the hands actually stay in this position through the whole song. So even when we're here at the beginning of the page, we're still kind of in that position here. So you may want to just find that hand position. We have 2 flats on each hand, and it's both finger 2s and 3s. Okay? So you may want to just practice in that hand position. Weird little scale there, but that's what we're building it off of. So all the parts like measure 7 are just going to be in your hand position. And then even the next part, because there's a lot of flats in that part. There are only 2 written, but there's 4 played, so be careful of that. The rest of the song is the same, so measure 11 is the same as the beginning. And here at 15 is the same as before. And then this thing again. At the end we have a little F chord, F, C, F. Spike at the end, nice and strong. Okay, so the song kind of happens twice. There's a little beginning and there's a little end, but you basically play the same thing twice. So just practice from measure 3 through measure 10. And if you practice that a couple times, if you do that like 10 times, the next part will be easy. Alright? Secrets. Don't tell anybody.